Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to maintain good standing with Fundbox. Getting approved by Fundbox is just the beginning. Keeping your account in good standing is exactly what ensures continued access to funding. So let's talk about how to do that. The first is to make timely payments. Now this is non-negotiable. Fundbox automatically withdraws repayments from your linked bank account, so you got to make sure that your account is funded on payment days. A quick tip is to set payment reminders a day before the auto debit. That way you have money in your account for you to be debited. The next is to keep your bank connections active. Now Fundbox monitors your cash flow in real time, so you want to avoid unlinking your bank or accounting software. If the connection breaks, be sure to reconnect it quickly, because broken links for too long can freeze your credit line. Next is to avoid negative balances. Now, consistent overdraft or bounced payments, they're gonna hurt your standing. So keep a buffer in your bank account to cover repayments and business expenses. The fourth is to maintain healthy cash flow. Fundbox loves consistency, so you want to keep regular deposits flowing into your bank account. Avoid long gaps in revenue. The fifth is to stay transparent. Now, if your business details change, like maybe ownership or banking or contact information, you want to make sure that you update those on Fundbox immediately through your dashboard. Following these steps ensures Fundbox sees your business as low risk, and that means longer access to capital and possibly higher limits, in the future. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.